your daily dose of environmental updates, sustainable innovations, and eco-friendly solutions. I am Mr. Aldaya, your news anchor for tonight.
And I am Antoinette, one of the reporters for tonight, joined also with our wonderful reporters and experts, Mr. Amante and Mr. Sarcalga.
Tonight, we'll explore solar energy, a clean and renewable source of power. What is it? How does it work? And why is it important? Let's find out. And we're going to talk about solar energy. What is solar energy? Solar energy is the energy we get from the sun. The sun sends a light and heat to Earth, and we can capture this energy to produce electricity. It's a renewable resources, meaning it won't run out, unlike coal or gas.
Solar panels, often placed on rooftops or in open fields, capture sunlight. Inside the panels are special materials that convert sunlight into electricity. Why should we use solar energy?
Why we should use solar energy? Well, here's the reason why we should use this type of renewable than fossil fuels. First, it's unlimited. The sun shines every day, giving us a constant supply of energy. Second, it's clean. Solar energy doesn't produce harmful gases, making it better for the environment. Third, it reduces electricity bills. Once installed, solar panels can lower your energy costs.
You're right, Babatid. However, there are few challenges. It depends on weather. Solar panels work best on sunny days and less efficiently when it's cloudy or at night. Storage can be costly. Storing solar energy in batteries is still expensive, though prices are improving. Storage can be space. Solar panels need enough space to capture sunlight effectively.
Solar energy is a powerful solution for a cleaner and more sustainable future, while it has some challenges. It offers many benefits and is becoming more popular worldwide.
Thank you everyone for having us tonight. Green News, where we keep you connected to the environment. Remember, every action counts, and together we can make a difference. Join us tomorrow for more updates on sustainability, conservation, and the latest in green living. And we hope this gives you a better understanding of solar energy. Until then, stay green and stay informed.
Kung dati sumasabay sa init ng panahon ang init ng ulo ni Grace sa tuwing makikita ang kanilang bill ng kuryente, iba na ngayon. Malaki na kasi ang natitipid nila sa kuryente mula nang magpakabit sila ng solar panels. Ang 3 solar panels kayang paandarin ang 9 na ilaw, 4 na ceiling fans at pwede pang pang-charge ng iba't ibang gadgets. Para kay Grace sulit ang solar panel dahil ang natitipid nila sa kuryente na ilalaan sa ilang bayarin. 14 na solar panels naman ang ikinabit sa bahay nila Peter. 250,000 pesos ang ginastos niya rito at kaya nitong mag-produce ng 450 watts ng kuryente. Kaya ang Meralco bill ni Peter, 0 na. Ayon sa isang solar panel distributor, dapat isaalang-alang ang lokasyon at laki ng bahay.
Pag malapit sa ilog, mas mababa yung irradiation. Siguro dahil sa, sa condensation. We want to make sure na yung investment, yung solar investment, is really optimal. We try to simulate the right solar size para hindi masyadong malaki, hindi rin masyadong maliit. Kasi nasasayang rin kung hindi nagamit.
Pero hindi anya ligtas ang paggamit ng solar panel sa mga condominium. Delikado kasi ang pagkakabit ng mga ito sa bintana.
Safety rin yan electrical no? So you don't want it to be easily accessible sa mga bata.
Sabi ng Meralco, may kompensasyon para sa mga gumagamit ng renewable energy gaya ng solar. Sa ilalim ng net metering system, posibleng maibenta sa Meralco ang sobrang kuryente mula sa solar panels.
If there is a solar installation in your house, tapos na-export yan, instead of decreasing your bill, actually dadagdag yan. It will be counted against you. Yeah. So the reason for net metering, the reason why we put the bi-directional meter, is para we can account for the exported production.
Tama.
And then yun nabibigyan namin ng credit. Hindi dadagdag against your bill yung solar.
Maaari ring idaan sa home improvement loan ng Pag-ibig Fund ang pagkakabit ng solar panel. May kasama pa itong premium o dagdag na mauutang kung ang ipapaayos sa bahay ay kabilang sa tinatawag na green option. Bago maaprubahan ang loan, kailangang isumite sa Pag-ibig Fund ang titulo ng bahay at lupa, renovation plan at bill of materials. Rainiel Pawid, ABS-CBN News.